Inanunsyo ni Pangulong Bongbong Marcos ang panibagong natural gas discovery sa Malampaya East 1. Meron itong 98 billion cubic feet of gas o katumbas yan ng 14 billion kilowatt-hour ng kuryente sa isang taon. Ang ganito kalaking electricity source maaaring makapag-supply ng kuryente sa higit 5 milyong households, halos 10,000 building o 200,000 classrooms.
NAE-1 is the first milestone under the Malampaya Phase 4 drilling campaign, which also includes the Camago 2 and the Bagong Pag-asa wells. The next steps are the completion and testing of the Camago 3, followed by the drilling of the Pag-asa exploration well to pursue more potential gas resources.
Ikinatuwa ng DOE ang discovery na ito dahil kritikal na parte ng power reliability ng bansa ang natural gas. Ang Malampaya ay nasa pangangasiwa ng prime infrastructure ni ultrabilyonaryo Enrique Razon.